Well, after putting on the Grapple, I thought it would be a good idea to check the hydraulic fluid. Here I'm cleaning off the area around the dipstick to make sure that no dust or debris will get into the hydraulic fluid. After I cleaned it off, I then pulled the dipstick out, looked at it, wiped it off. Keep in mind the tractor had sat for a little bit to cool off. I then put the dipstick back in to check and noticed that the fluid level was still at an appropriate level even after adding the Grapple and the fluid that would have gone into the hydraulic ram on the Grapple. Everything looked good.